storm
to listen to this.
severe with large hail and damaging winds. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. Thunderstorms are expected to continue into Monday and Tuesday as several upper atmosphere disturbances affect the area. A few strong to severe storms are possible. Please monitor updates to the forecast if changes are likely. The remainder of the week looks dry. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected through tonight. Significant weather advisory for Polk and southeastern MCMINN counties until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Benton, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Half-inch hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Benton, Etowah, Turtletown, Denville, Parksville, Reliance, and Darshville. This storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the northeast Georgia mountains. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms.
So, guys just heard that significant weather advisory. Stay tuned to your local weather station, WSB Channel 2, Fox 5, Channel 46, go to your phone, download WeatherBugs, the Weather Channel, anything that'll give you alerts. If you have a no weather radio like my collection, turn it on and stay tuned for any alerts. And stay safe during the storm that's heading through Turtletown and coming up our way in Young Harris. So stay safe out there and stay safe and stay tuned to your local weather.